Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have a short freight train coming, heading back to the freight yard. Let's check it out. I didn't get that crossing in time.
Thanks to all the red lights.
We'll get this train here, and then we gotta get off for the restroom. I just didn't know where the FDK hopper must be over at the WLs. Yeah, we got a, yep, this is a grain hopper, yeah, and a tankers is all they got. But we don't know if there's gonna be any more freight work. If not, it's gonna be the oil city train. I didn't think they're not done. There's the end right there. Yep, there's the end. Oh. Alright, that's gonna be it. We gotta get over to the bathroom, either Sheets or Get Go, and we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later.